Hello students, this video of Nutrition in Plants Part 4 is brought to you by Aryabhatt National Public School. Today we will discuss about the heterotrophic mode of nutrition in plants. Most plants are autotrophs, that is, they prepare their food themselves. But you will find some plants that cannot prepare their food themselves and are dependent on other green plants and animals for their food. Such type of nutrition is called heterotrophic mode of nutrition, and such plants are called heterotrophic plants. Today we will discuss about heterotrophic mode of nutrition in detail. What is heterotrophic nutrition? It is the mode of nutrition in which organisms cannot prepare their own food and are dependent on plants and animals for their food. Why they cannot prepare their food? Because they can't do photosynthesis, or even if they do photosynthesis, they lack in some nutrients. Why they can't do photosynthesis? Because they lack in chlorophyll. Heterotrophic plants can be categorized into four types. The first one is parasitic plants. In this mode of nutrition, plants depend on other plants for their nutrition. They absorb this they absorb their food from these green plants. In this type of nutrition, only parasitic plant is benefited. Now the question arises, what are parasites? How they are benefited from the other green plants? Parasites are those plants or animals which live in live inside or on the other plant or animals to get their food. What are parasites? Parasites are those plants or animals which live inside the animals or inside the plant or on the animal or on the plant for their food. One such type of plant is amarbel or kaskata. Here you see these amarbels attach themselves to the green plants and suck their nutrition from them. These green plants prepare their food from photosynthesis, and these parasites in here the amarbel absorb the nutrition from these plants. In this mode of nutrition, see, only this amarbel is benefited. That's why in parasitic relationship only the parasites are benefited. One thing, these parasites did not kill their hosts, because if they will kill their host, from where they will get their food? Therefore they did not harm their hosts, because if they will harm them, they will harm themselves instead. That is why they did not harm them, because they are benefited from them. Second type of nutrition in heterotrophic nutrition is saprotrophic nutrition. What is saprotrophic nutrition? In this type of nutrition, plants get their food from dead plants and animal remains. Examples are mushroom, molds. You will find mushrooms grown in rainy season where plants remains are kept. These are mushrooms. These mushrooms are grown from the leftover or dead plants remains and animal remains. They didn't do photosynthesis because they lack in chlorophyll. They get their food from the remains of plants and animals. The next mode of nutrition that comes under heterotrophic nutrition is insectivorous plants. Until now, you have heard that animals eat plants for their food. But in insectivorous type of nutrition, here plants eat insects, small insects. In this type of nutrition, plants eat small insects. Now you will be wondered how they can eat insects. There are special structures in these plants to trap insects. And why they eat insects? They are green plants. They prepare their food through photosynthesis, but they are grown in such soils that lack in some nutrients. To fulfill their requirements, these plants trap insects and get the nutrients from them. Examples are pitcher plants, Venus flytrap. See here, this is a pitcher plant. This plant has a special structure. Once when the small insects get inside this bag, this lid is closed. They trap the insect inside and absorb the nutrients from these little insects. And the last one is symbiotic mode of nutrition. In this type of nutrition, plants live in association and mutually benefit each other. What does it mean? This means that in this type of nutrition, two plants live together and benefit each other. One such example is lichen. Lichens are what? They are combination of alga and fungus. What is alga and fungus do? Fungus fungus provide shelter, water for this association, and in return alga prepare the food for both of these, for for him and for the fungus. So in this type of relationship, plants live together in association and mutually benefit each other. Thank you for watching.